We're gonna make a peanut butter cookie that has Reese's peanut butter cups inside of it. And they are so good. We're gonna start out with making a peanut butter cookie. So, star of the show, peanut butter. We're gonna get that all in there. We have butter, brown and white sugar, and we're gonna cream that all together. Once that's creamed together, you're gonna wanna add the eggs in one at a time. And just blend it till it's mixed in there. Add your vanilla and make sure you scrape down the sides of the bowl. Once that's all creamed together, we're gonna add in the dry ingredients. You don't wanna overmix them because you want them to stay nice and full but really kind of chewy inside. So we're putting our flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Mix that together. And slowly add that in to your peanut butter and sugar mixture. So I have the flour all mixed in, and the trick to testing to see if it's just enough, it shouldn't be tacky, it should feel kind of like Play-Doh. So we're going to add in some chopped Reese's peanut butter cups. Stir that around, and we are all set. I have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna cook them a little bit slower just because they're so large. We're gonna take about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of cookie dough. And in the very top, we're gonna take a little piece of the Reese's peanut butter cup and place it in there. It'll make it look so cute in the end. And you just repeat this until your cookie sheet is full. We're gonna put them in the oven and let them bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't these look so good, and they smell delicious. Now we're gonna wanna let them sit on the pan and cool. You can see they're just lightly brown, and on the underside, they're golden brown. But if we start moving them around, they're gonna break apart. So we're just gonna let them cool right on this pan for a little while, and then we'll move them over to a cooling rack. Look at that. Soft, chewy, full of peanut butter. They're delicious. Now, it did make about 18 cookies, and you can see I left these uncooked, and I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and then when I have company over or when I want a quick treat some other time, I can pop them out and put them in the oven and bake them up. But they make for a great snack, great presentation, and a great gift. I hope you try them. Recipes at the end of the video. We have lots of recipes on our YouTube channel under Sharkey's Greenhouse. Have a great day.